Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speak Bench, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Grace.
Hello, Grace. It is so wonderful to be here with you today. I have a feeling our listeners are going to love this episode.
I think so too, Jack. Today, we have a very special episode because today is the beginning of something amazing.
Oh, really? What are we starting today, Grace?
Today, we are starting from the very beginning. And the very beginning of any English conversation is this. Hello. Nice to meet you.
Introductions. The very first thing every English learner needs. And yet, so many people get nervous about it.
They really do. But today, we are going to make it so easy and so natural that you will never feel nervous again.
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you will be able to introduce yourself in English with confidence.
So let's start with the most important question. Jack, how do you say hello in English?
Well, the most common way is simply, hello.
Yes, hello is the classic. But there are actually many ways to greet someone in English.
That's right. You can say hello, which is neutral and works in every situation.
You can also say hi, which is more casual and friendly. You use hi with friends, colleagues, and people your own age.
And then there is hey, which is even more casual. You say hey to close friends or people you know very well.
So we have 3 levels. Hello is formal and neutral. Hi is friendly and casual. Hey is very casual and informal. Let me give you an example. If I meet my boss, I say, hello, good morning. And if I meet a colleague, I say, hi, how are you?
And if I meet my best friend, I say, hey, what's up?
Perfect. Now, listeners, can you feel the difference? The words change depending on who you are talking to.
Exactly. This is called register in English. It means the level of formality in your language.
Now, Jack, let's practice a full introduction. I want to show our listeners exactly how it sounds.
I'm ready. Let's do it, Grace.
Hello, my name is Grace. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Grace. My name is Jack. It's great to meet you too.
Did you hear that? 2 very important phrases. My name is and nice to meet you.
My name is tells the other person your name. It is simple, clear, and perfect for any situation.
And nice to meet you is what you say immediately after. It shows you are happy and friendly.
You can also say, it's great to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Or it's lovely to meet you. All of these mean the same thing.
They do, and they all make the other person feel welcomed and comfortable.
Grace, can you show our listeners the difference between a formal and an informal introduction?
Absolutely. Let's try a formal introduction first, like at a business meeting.
Good morning. My name is Jack. I'm a software engineer. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Good morning, Jack. I'm Grace. I'm a marketing manager. The pleasure is mine.
Did you hear the phrase, the pleasure is mine? This is a very polite and formal response to nice to meet you.
It means I am also very happy to meet you. It sounds elegant and professional.
Now let's try the same introduction, but casual, like at a party.
Hey, I'm Grace. What's your name?
Hey Grace, I'm Jack. Nice to meet you. Are you having a good time?
Did you notice? The casual version is shorter, warmer, and immediately starts a conversation with a question.
Asking a question after your introduction is a great technique. It shows you are interested in the other person.
Exactly. And it keeps the conversation going naturally.
Now let's talk about the next part of an introduction. After you say your name, what comes next?
Usually you share where you are from. This is one of the most common questions in English. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. where are you from?
I'm from Canada. I grew up in Toronto.
Notice how Grace added an extra detail. I grew up in Toronto. This makes your answer more interesting and opens the door for more conversation.
You don't have to just say the country. You can add your city or something interesting about where you're from.
For example, I'm from India. I'm from Mumbai, actually. It's a very vibrant city.
That is so much more interesting than just saying, I'm from India. It gives the other person something to respond to.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about jobs. After names and places, people usually ask, what do you do?
What do you do is a very common English question. It means, what is your job or profession?
I'm a teacher. I work at a high school in New York.
I'm a student. I'm studying business at university.
Notice the two structures. I'm a teacher, using I'm a, which describes your job title, and I work at, which tells where you work.
You can also say, I work as a teacher, or I work in education. These all mean the same thing.
And for students, you say, I'm a student, or I'm studying, followed by your subject.
Perfect. Now, listeners, let's put it all together. I want you to hear a complete, natural introduction from start to finish.
Let's do it.
Hi, I'm Grace. Nice to meet you. I'm from Canada. From Toronto, actually. I work as a podcast host. What about you?
Hey, Grace, I'm Jack. Great to meet you too. I'm from the United States, from Chicago. I'm also a podcast host. What a coincidence.
What a coincidence. I love it. Did everyone hear that full introduction? Name, greeting, where you're from, what you do, and a question back.
That is the complete formula, and it takes less than 30 seconds. That is all you need to start a conversation in English.
And the most important thing is, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be friendly.
Exactly. A warm smile and a friendly tone matter just as much as the perfect grammar.
If you are enjoying this episode, please like the video, subscribe to The Speak Bench, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
And comment your own introduction below. Write, hi, I'm your name. I'm from your country. We would love to read every single one.
Now, let's talk about something important. In English, there are different ways to ask someone's name.
Oh, yes. How do you ask for someone's name politely?
The most common ways are, what's your name? Or, what is your name? The first is casual, the second is slightly more formal.
You can also say, may I ask your name? This is very polite and formal, perfect for professional situations.
Or you can say, I don't think we've met. I'm Grace. And the other person will automatically introduce themselves.
Oh, that is a very smooth technique. Instead of asking directly, you introduce yourself first, and they follow.
Exactly. Native speakers use this trick all the time at parties and events.
Now let's talk about what to say after the introduction. How do you keep the conversation going?
After introductions, the easiest thing is to ask a simple follow-up question, like, how long have you lived here? Or, do you enjoy your work?
Or you can make a friendly comment, like, oh, Toronto! I've always wanted to visit Canada. It's beautiful there.
Exactly. Complimenting someone's city or country is a great conversation starter.
Let me try. Oh, you're from India. I've heard Mumbai is an incredible city. What's your favorite thing about it?
Perfect. See how that one question can open up a whole conversation? Now the other person has something interesting to talk about.
And if someone compliments your city or country, you can say, yes, I love it there. Or, it's a great place to grow up.
Now, let's talk about a very common mistake that many English learners make in introductions.
What is the mistake, Grace?
The mistake is saying, I am called Grace, instead of, my name is Grace.
Ah, yes. I am called sounds very unusual to native speakers.
It is technically not wrong, but it sounds unnatural.
Always say, "My name is Grace," or simply, "I'm Grace." These sound completely natural.
Another common mistake is saying, "I am come from India," instead of "I am from India" or "I come from India."
Never say, "I am come from." The correct forms are "I am from" or "I come from." Both are correct and natural. These are small mistakes, but fixing them will make your English sound much more natural immediately. And remember, mistakes are completely normal. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The goal is not perfection. The goal is communication. Now, let's practice short answers versus long answers. If someone asks, "Where are you from?" what is a short answer? A short answer is simply, "I'm from Japan." And a longer, more interesting answer is, "I'm from Japan. I grew up in Tokyo, which is an amazing city. Very busy, but full of life." See the difference? The long answer gives more detail and is much more interesting to the listener. And what if someone asks, "What do you do?" what is a short answer? Short answer, "I'm an engineer." Long answer, "I'm a software engineer. I work for a tech company in San Francisco. I've been doing it for about 3 years now, and I really enjoy it." Excellent. The long answer shows personality and opens up the conversation.
Listeners, always try to give a little more detail in your answers. It shows you are engaged and it keeps the conversation alive.
Now let's do one more complete role play. This time we will pretend we are at a work conference, meeting for the first time.
Good morning. I don't think we've met. I'm Grace. I'm a content creator from Canada.
Good morning, Grace. I'm Jack. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm a software developer. I'm based in New York, but I'm originally from Texas.
Oh, Texas. That's wonderful. Is this your first time at this conference?
Actually, yes, it is. It's quite impressive. Have you been before?
I have, actually. This is my 3rd year coming. It gets better every time. You're gonna love it.
That's great to hear. Thank you. Perhaps we could grab a coffee later and you could tell me more about it?
I'd love that. Let me give you my card.
And scene. Did you hear how natural that felt? We used everything. Greetings, names, where we're from, what we do, questions, follow-ups, and even making plans.
That is a complete real-life introduction in English, and every piece of it is something you can use starting today.
Remember the formula. Greeting, name, where you're from, what you do, question back. That is it.
Let's also talk about one more useful phrase. When you are leaving the conversation, you can say, "It was great meeting you."
Or, "I hope to see you again soon." Or, "Let's stay in touch."
These phrases close the conversation politely and leave a great impression.
First impressions are everything in English. A confident greeting and a warm goodbye, that is the complete picture.
We really covered a lot today, Jack. Greetings, introductions, where you're from, what you do, formal versus casual, common mistakes, and full role plays.
We really did. And I hope our listeners are feeling more confident about introducing themselves in English right now.
I know they are. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave enough to say hello.
Because every great conversation in English starts with exactly that. Hello! Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much for joining us for episode 1 of the Speak Bench. This is just the beginning.
We have 29 more episodes coming, each one building on the last. By the time we reach episode 30, you will be speaking English with real confidence.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Speak Bench, and share it with someone who is starting their English journey.
And comment your introduction below. Hi, I'm your name. I'm from your country. We will read every single one and reply.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We will see you in episode 2. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing. And remember, every expert was once a beginner. See you next time.